YJT Group is a manufacturer integrating research, development and production. The mold was outsourced previously, but now the mold workshop in the first floor can supply molding building. There are 19 equipment, including 12 injection molding machines, 2 milling machines, 2 grinding machines, 2 CNC processing machines, and 1 engraving machine. There are 3 SMT machines used for PCB production. The production flow consists of board loading, thin brushing, chip mounting, reflow soldering, and IOA inspection. The finished PCB will go through winding process after that. There are total 3 welding lines that semi-automatic operation has been basically realized, and the automatic welding line machine will be assembled soon. The welding line realizes the automatic conveying, welding, assembly, and handing of work pieces. All past welding can be checked and adjusted according to professional work instructions. To standardize the process operation, the final step of welding is the adjustment of output power of laser device. The assembling line takes the finished DIP and material from the warehouse and assemble them together according to the operation instructions. There are standard work instructions on the workstation to guide the operation. Take handheld product, for example, including the process of flowing parts installation, such as buttons, main control board, driver board, and battery. Also include heatsink assembly, lens assembly, and cleaning machine assembly. The assembled machines will be uniformly placed in the agent workshop for agent tests. For bulk order finished products, agent is generally carried out continuously for 24 hours. For the products in the trial production stage, the agent test will be carried out for several days by the quality department, analyze and record the quality of products that have problems during this period, so as to avoid similar problems in the future. There are warehouses to store different materials or finished products, such as hardware warehouse, wire warehouse, packaging material warehouse, electronic warehouse, semi-finished product warehouse, and finished product warehouse, etc. Some materials have strict requirements on storage temperature and humidity, so some warehouses, such as electronic warehouses, are monitored by professional thermometers and hygrometers. First of all, preparing or packing materials and accessories in the line. Next, put the device and accessory into the inner box, and the inspector is checking if it is a complete set of product. Then put the whole color box into a disposable bag and proceed to laminating film by the thermoplastic machine. This process will be made as the clients required. Additionally, put the final packing box into a master carton. The packing quantities will be conformed according to each product. Finally, the master carton will be sealed by the packing machine and laid on the pallets. When all devices finish the packing process, will be stored to our warehouse and waiting for the delivery. Every one finished product must be go through a complete set of tests by our IQC, IPQC, FQC, and OQC. Any invalid materials, unfinished or finished products have no reason to return back or exchange before going with next process. IQC, Incoming Quality Control, is patiently checking all raw materials in detail according to BOM, including the quality, quantity, appearance, etc. IPQC, Input Process Quality Control, is cautiously responsible for petrol inspection or round regular inspections to the entire production process of materials used, assembly manipulation, machine operation, environmental compliance, etc. FQC, Final Quality Control, strictly carries out finished product inspection according to the finished product inspection standards and make relevant quality records. OQC, outgoing quality control, carefully carries out finished product and shipment inspection according to inspection standards like sampling test, performance test, doping test, chemical testing, etc. After finished products are put into storage, it is necessary to supervise and warehouse to control the inventory items. High and low temperature test. Put the product in a thermostat at a high temperature of 55 degrees Celsius for 2 hours and then a low temperature of -15 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. If functionality and appearance still conform to inspection standards after testing and without deformation, job, corrosion, etc., it would be considered as qualified. Transportation vibration test. Each package product must undergo vibration testing in a stimulated vibration environmental that occurs during transportation. The purpose is to detect strengths of product structure and connection parts, as well as fatigue resistance of packaging materials, which provides technical reference for product design and packaging material. Plug and pull life test. For each batch of pluggable materials, sampling reading inspection was conducted by 1% ratio with 2,500 times. For plug and pull testing rapidly, it would be qualified. If it can be used normally with the product function and appearance meeting pre-inspection standards. Wire bending test. For each batch of power cables, the conductor material is randomly sampled in accordance with 1% ratio. The wire will be tested and bent for about 3,000 times. If it can be used normally with the function and appearance of the wire meeting the pre-inspection that the sample is qualified. Salt spray test. According to the test conditions and sample placement requirements, the sample is put in the 5% salt solution to test. If the appearance keeps smooth and no damage after over 2 hours testing, that the sample is qualified. The finished product warehouses on the 5th floor covered 8,000 square meters. After the production and inspection, the finished goods will be stored in the designated area according to the product's serial number for shipment. The warehouse store can check the goods quantity, lay up the specific data through the system. All goods will be palletized in advance and loaded into trucks or containers by forklift, and then delivered to forwarder's warehouse. The products have been shipped to more than 140 countries worldwide since 2005.